Dami ring nagtatanong, so legit ba talaga tong Facebook ads as a long-term skill? Or baka hype lang siya, baka anytime mawala siya sa industry or mawala na siya, hindi na siya kailangan na in-demand na skill.
Dalawa kasi yung side ng Facebook ad skill. Meron yung tinatawag na technical side, meron yung tinatawag na strategy. Now, yung technical side, ito yung inaral ko dati, yung mga lookalike audiences, targeting, segmentation, yun yung mga technical side. If you ask me 100% honestly from the bottom of my heart, coming from a Facebook ad specialist, medyo nagiging outdated na yun kasi napapalitan na ng AI. Anything technical, sometimes nare-replace na ng AI even with Facebook ads. So yung mga algorithm ngayon ni Facebook sobrang advanced na yung mga dating ginagamit namin na strategies outdated na siya. The other side of Facebook ads is yung tinatawag na strategy, how to craft creatives, how to persuade people, how to set up funnels. That's something na hindi kayang palitan ng AI. If you ask me kung magfo-focus ka sa Facebook ads, I suggest you focus more on the strategy. Ako personally, nag-shift ako from actual technical skills to strategy. Nag-switch ako doon in the middle of my career. Kaya hindi ako na outdate. That skill is long term. Strategy, copywriting, persuasion, marketing, that's something na hindi mapapalitan ng AI. Long term yan. Pero yung technical skills, how to set up these types of audiences, eventually mawawala yan. Eventually mapapalitan siya.
Ito na yung sagot sa napakaraming tanong kung papalitan ba tayo ng AI or hindi.